What's going on? This is the boy Malcolm Brown, and this is Eat This, Taste That. I'm here at Brekkie Shack here to get some great food. They've got pastries, they've got good breakfast, they've got great juices. I'm here to try everything they have on the menu. Well, not everything, almost everything. If I try everything, I might explode. But we're gonna try some great food here. We're gonna have a great interview here with the owner, and let's get into it. Let's eat this, taste that. Let's go. This is Malcolm Brown. This is Eat This, Taste That. I have the owners of Brekkie Shack, Lisa.
Yep.
And Lindsay.
Yep.
Lisa and Lindsay here. I've got a couple questions for you guys real quick for this phenomenal spot. Is it okay if I ask you guys some questions?
Yeah, of course.
Perfect. All right. So what inspired the idea behind Brekkie Shack and why breakfast? Why breakfast?
We love the versatility of breakfast.
Yes.
How healthy it can be, but still indulgent. And so we love making a lot of egg-based dishes.
Okay.
It can be vegetarian, and so there's a lot of versatility there, but to add all kinds of proteins to it.
I love that.
And also starting someone's day.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I was getting a couple looks at the dishes you have right there.
Yeah.
I'm going to need those real soon. Those are amazing. So basically, and that kind of segues into my next question. What does community mean to you two?
Yeah.
Why would you guys start this restaurant and you guys have a great following? How does the community play a role into that?
Yeah. For community, well, we're from Columbus. We're from Worthington, so starting a business here was something that we had always dreamed of. But connecting with the community, it just it feels so good for the business, for
Absolutely.
us. One thing that we personally love is connecting with people, and
Yes.
Brekkie provides a great way to do that on
Yes.
a daily basis. So connecting with the community and the business is awesome. Yeah. I think with our vision too, like overall, we really wanted to be a community staple. That's our overall main goal.
Which it definitely is.
Oh,
my
thanks,
goodness.
Thanks.
Yes, I'd be here every day if I could.
We can make that happen.
Oh, hey, don't tip me. Don't tip me. Now, you guys bring the community in through the food, right? You guys work amazingly hard on this great menu. What are some really, really cool dishes, and what inspired those dishes?
Ooh, well, the one recently, we're doing a Southwest burrito.
Oh, my.
Chorizo, smashed tots, avocado. It's so good.
Mom, did you hear that? We got to get that one.
But really, anything that we think of, that we crave, we try to make happen and just bring onto the menu. I think with the flexibility of eggs, like I mentioned before, and breakfast overall, then we can bring in flavors that you wouldn't necessarily think fit into breakfast, but we'll figure it out.
I love that.
Yeah, I would say the olive fields is another one of those. Adding crispy Brussels sprouts. People always ask us, what made you think to do that?
Yeah.
And it just kind of pops into your head. You try it out. If you get a good reaction, then you move forward with it. And if not, then it's okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And you guys are okay to take risks as well. And that's what works in food. And that's why I like you two a lot.
Oh, thanks.
Here's a little curveball question. Brekkie Shack was a song. What would be its name?
I actually love this song. Or I love this question. We're good. Yeah. Well,
Me too.
Yeah. So we make a playlist and everything, but I think any Surfaces song, Forrest Frank, we've been into lately.
Okay.
But you can't leave out Madonna.
Never.
Mariah Carey or Paula Abdul.
I love that.
Yeah.
You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for interviewing with Eat This, Taste That today. I'm going to try some amazing food. Is that okay with you guys?
Yeah, absolutely. We're excited.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is Eat This, Taste That. We're going to segue into the food edition of things here now. Stay tuned. It's going to get crazy. Thank you. Okay, so our food just came out. We have these amazing tater tots. Look at that. These are crazy. These are, oh my goodness. Phenomenal tater tots. And I ordered the meat lover burrito, right? So in the Meat Loves burrito, we got chicken, we got egg, we got sausage, we got bacon. Look at that. It's just a smorgasbord of everything we might need in a great burrito. I think there's some chizurro, some spicy chizurro, or some spicy aioli sauce in here too. Let's dig in. This is a good burrito. This is a great burrito. I'm gonna tell you why. It's not too much. They give you everything. They give you the flavor. They give you the egg, the sausage, the bacon, the cheese. You taste the sauce at the end of that. It's airy. It's durable. Just the right amount of flavor. Look at that. Oh man. This bacon is insane. I think that what they've perfected here is flavor. They know how to get you with that flavor. This burrito, look at this. Look how simplistic it is. But they hit you with that great flavor of the bacon. You taste that sausage. You taste the egg. You taste that cheese. Everything is hitting you subtly. And it's great. It's amazing. Amazing. Oh man. You got them to get here today.